When soldering a crown into a shank, place a ball of easy flow solder at the top edge of the shank against the crown. Add a little flux if needed, and heat the ball until it flows against the crown and the shank. Then heat from underneath the shank to draw the solder through the joint. By using this method, the excess solder will draw down through the joint to the inside of the ring, rather than up through the prongs. If you apply the solder to the inside of the shank and draw it up, the excess solder can flow between the prongs, which is nearly impossible to remove. Use plum solder that matches the carat and color of the ring. If a two-tone ring is being made, use yellow gold,